Hello guys, today I want to tell you about acne scars in our photos and how we can remove these acne scars in Photoshop. It's so simple. I would like to tell you all these process so simple. So first of all, after you open your Photoshop, you select your photo, just pull it and open here, okay? After that, we need some palette here. First of all, select navigator. You can zoom it and zoom out. And after that, select history. History, where are you? Here. Okay, just two palette, I think we need. After that, select patch tool. Patch tool is here. You should pull this icon and select patch tool. Just draw a circle around here with your mouse, with your right right hand mouse, and after you draw your circle, just go here. I think here is soft thing, and just pull it here. Finish. After that, I think here, okay, draw a circle. It's not complicated. Just draw a circle and then here, after that, here, just draw a circle. You everywhere that you think is soft, so softer than other skin, you can select. Okay, pull it, and after that, I think here and here, here, here. If you think it's not good, you can use this, but just come back, come back, or go back. After that, you can use it. And this one, and this one, and this one, and this one. Everywhere that you think need to clean and remove. Okay, another is here. I would like to tell you everything so easy, not complicated. Okay, and you can zoom out, you can zoom in and zoom out. Okay, after all, you can select push Control D. You must select CTRL and D. Finish our lesson. Have a good time.